Welcome to Tali Tarka Vrinda.
Hello, thank you.
Tell us about your entry into Dil Dosti and Dance.
My entry.
Yes. As in, what is your role all about? How you got it? Why you took it up?
Sure. Firstly, the role which I'm playing in D3 Dil Dosti Dance right now is I'm playing a character called Tani, which is basically from Jodhpur. She has come from Jodhpur all the way to fulfill her dream, which is Reyansh Singhania. Wow. As in, she saw him in India Fest, and since after that she is like madly, truly in love with him, and she always just wants to be around him. And talking about how I got this role, simple basic rule, as we all know, we have to audition, go through a look test and all that stuff. So yes, I did audition twice. I was called for the look test later on, and after that I gave my dance audition too. So everything happened, and finally I get a call after my audition. 5 days I get a call after the 5 days of my audition. They're like, you know what, you've been shortlisted. And I was like, what, are you serious? Because this is the first break of my life, so that feeling when you really get when you get the first break, and that too for such a popular show, which is like D3, a completely youth and youngster based show. And I was like, you are kidding me, are you like serious that I'm selected? They're like, yes you are. And I was on top of the 9th cloud at that time. So yeah, it was really a great feeling to be a part of the show. And I am in shooting for say about 20 days. It's been 20 days that I'm in shooting, and I can't even explain how good and great it feels, that when your dream really does come true, because I wanted to be a part of industry, and now I am doing a very popular show. So it really makes me feel
Actually, with the production house such as Cinevista.
Cinevistas, name it, they have their own studio, they have their own office in Bandra. It's like I think it's the best production house so far, and touch with whatever serials they have put their hand in, it has always grown up. They have never fallen down. So
very true.
It's really a privilege to be a part of it.
Right. So that kind of answers my why, but I would still want to know more on the why. The reason being because this particular role would entail dancing. So how and what are your skill sets in the dance area?
Talking about my dance, I never knew that I'll get into acting. Dance is something which I always wanted to be. Dance is a part of my life.
Right.
Even if I don't dance right now, or if you don't term me as a dancer, but there is a dance hidden inside me. So it's my life, you can't take it away from me.
Right.
And I really have been into dancing since my childhood. My mom started putting me in all sort of dance classes, Western, Bollywood and all that stuff. Right. Then after that I got into Kathak, and also I'm even trained properly in classical.
Lovely.
Then I've been a part of Shamak Dawas Institute where, for more than 3 years.
Oh, lovely.
I was assisting him. So we used to perform shows and all for Shamak. So after that I kind of left dancing, because after that I actually stepped into acting. And dancing was something which I never wanted my career to be, but it was a part of my life, and it still is.
Right.
So my trainings are still on. I have never left dancing properly. I never used to do shows and all, but I never left my dancing, my workouts, my dancing, my training and all that stuff. So everything was on, and when I come to know that I can do acting and dancing together,
that's like cherry and
it's
and
the precious gift of my life, because I had to choose either one of it, either acting, either dancing. But now when I come to know that I have to do both the things, and I get to do it both at the same time, it's like blessed.
Yeah, it's like cherry and icing on the cake.
Cherry and icing, yeah.
So yeah, that's lovely. Yeah. Tell us the dances that you are aware of. You did mention Tuscan earlier, you haven't mentioned it here yet.
I am, frankly, I'm aware of all the dance styles.
Okay.
But if you ask me personally, what about my forte? I am trained in classical, as I told you before.
Right.
I am trained in hip hop. Contemporary is something which I really like. I am kind of getting polished in contemporary now.
Right.
I know the basics of it, I know the moves, I know the steps, but I am getting trained more into contemporary. And belly dancing is something which I really like. I have not taken any training in that.
Wow.
But I have just I used to watch TV, and I kind of started doing it on my own. So if given a chance, I'll get trained into that also.
Oh, lovely.
I don't know, but this is my nature somewhere that I have never done one thing in my life. If I'm doing this, I'll do 10 different things at a time. So I'm kind of multitasking. So I would try and grab as much as I can.
So today's generation.
Yeah. So I would try and grab as much as I can. Like, I'm trying and learning one forte of dance so that I don't jumble up and I be perfect in whatever I do.
Right. So what are your expectations from the role and the show for yourself?
Expectations, to be very frank, my expectations are already fulfilled.
Okay.
Because the role which I'm playing and the show that is offering me is way beyond explanation, because playing such a good role and getting a lead in such a popular hit show, it's like commendable. And yeah, my expectations are good enough taking the show, and I think they already are getting fulfilled. People are liking me, people are loving me.
Lovely.
And I'm definitely, even I'm giving my more than 100%, so that I can get as much as love I can from people, and I can give them what they want and what they are looking for in the new girl, because I'm sure even they have a lot of more than me, they have expectations in me right now. So I'm just fulfilling all of that. I'm seriously trying my more than 100% so that I don't disappoint anyone, and I give all the love I can, and I can get all the love which I can.
Great. Yes, wishing you all the best for your role, and may you fulfill your expectations and the audience's expectations.
Yeah, sure, I'm hoping for it.
Thank you so much, Vrinda. Lovely speaking with you.
Thank you.
Thank you.